Alright guys, this is a unboxing video on my new mini camcorder. It's mini, very mini. So let me just move this from there. Alright, so first got this little pouch that I can put it in. Yeah, that's not really interesting, so we'll look at the actual camera last. So let's have a look what's in this box. Got the camera out. I haven't looked at this stuff yet. So I have a digital video camera use manual. An AV cord and a little tiny USB cord. Okay, so AV cord, USB cord. Now for the good stuff, the camera itself. So first of all, we're going to be looking at the outside of it. Let me just get into a better position to do this. Okay, that's better. So, first of all, we have a nice big, quite a small lens, only that big. So we have the small lens, a small little flashlight under the lens, a hand strap, a snapshot record button that looks like zoom buttons or something. Alright, and then at the back here, let's get that open, we have the USB and the AV cord inputs. I think they're called inputs. Not good with my technical terms. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, put our hand in it, and open it up. Wow, that's a small screen. Alright, I have already put batteries in this, and a SD card that goes in the bottom here, and we also have a tripod screw thing there. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on there. Okay, it's on picture mode. As you can see, not the best. You can't see it very well with the iPod that I'm recording with right now, but it is okay recording. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and press mode. Now it's on record mode, so I can record videos. Then we have our zoom, and also at the top here we have zoom. Don't know why they added two sets of zooms. That's a bit dumb. So we're going to go ahead and press the menu button here, and you get all the settings. Yeah, you get movie size and stuff. I'm actually going to turn down the movie size. Now I'm going to turn it up. Alright, now I've got it in full HD. That's good HD. It's a nice HD recording. Now we have the flashlight by pressing down. So I could take 15 minutes of video with this crappy SD card. but if I turn down the movie size, I'll be able to get a lot of, so now I can get 1 hour of recording in. So yeah, I can get an hour and a half recording time. It does look very bad on this camera, but it actually is good. But if I look at both of them now, yeah, the iPod is a bit brighter. Even though I do have the flashlight on this. Oh, yeah, so about the same. So now I can fit 1 hour and 33 minutes and 55 seconds of recording in. Alright. Cool music. It says welcome. I'll turn it on. And then this is weird. And I suppose it says welcome goodbye. So that's a bit creepy. So underneath here we have the battery slot. And this camera doesn't charge for some reason, because it's like cheap. Then again we have the USB and AV inputs. And there we have the picture button. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this camera. If you're wondering how much it is, I got it off eBay for 35 bucks. Not the best camera out there. I'm not saying it is good. I mean, it is the best. It's not the best. Because I know you can get better cameras than this. And so a quick run through of what you get in the packaging once I just stabilize this. Okay, so first of all you get a box. You will open the box and you'll get a camera inside of bubble wrap. And then you'll get that underneath it. You want to lift that out. You'll get a manual in English, and then if you turn it over you get in Chinese or something. I don't know. You get I don't know if you do get this pouch with it. I got one off someone nice, so they gave me a pouch. And then you have your standard USB, and that goes into the back of the camera there. And we have the AV cords, what go into a TV, I think. Yeah. So yeah, that was the unboxing and review. Well, yeah, the review, I reckon 6.5 out of 10 for this camera, because I know it could do a lot more. Alright, so yeah, that was the review on my new digital camera. Well, yeah, digital video camera, the mini series, 4x digital zoom. I'm gonna show you that right now. What brand is it? Cybercam. Alright, I want to show you digital zoom. If you just hold on. Alright, I picked up my tripod. Now I've got to put it down here. Okay. There you go. Okay. And the one downside is you can't actually like tilt the screen in different angles. You can only put it in and out like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on here. And then you can zoom in quite far. So yeah, again, it's not the best camera. I'm not saying it is the best. It's just a cheap one that I got. And yeah, thanks for watching this video on my camera review and unboxing. I hope you liked it. Comment, rate and subscribe. And as always, see you later.